Today we'll be looking at using Python in a very easiest way in Windows. So first of all, open command prompt and run the command prompt as administrator. And to check the version of Python, just type Python space dash dash version. And as you see, I have installed Python 3.11.0. If you don't have Python, you can go to this python.org downloads and you can download Python and install. And if you also want Selenium, this is the command to use Selenium. Pip space install Selenium. And press enter. As you see, I've already installed Selenium, so it just verifies my package and I'm ready to go. So now I'm opening command prompt again, cmd. So the easiest way to open or execute any script in command prompt is using a Python file, which can also be written in a text document. I opened a text document and I'll just give print hello everyone, and I'm gonna save this as save as. I'm going to save this in D drive and abc.py. You should always remember to keep the extension py.py and select all files and save it. So now that particular file will be saved as a Python file. If you want to check the file, it's Python file. So to run this file, we just have to type Python and the abc.py and enter. See, hello everyone. So that's how we can run or execute Python scripts from Python files using CMD without using or without need of any IDE. So even Selenium scripts can be run. So for example, I have a Selenium demo here in D drive. Let me run the script and see. And that script opens web browsers and copies text from shares. Let's see. Again, Python d cell-demo.py and oh, yeah, enter. Also, it loaded WebDriver and it's executing the script. The script is basically to open few pages and copy the current stock price and then send a message to me using a fake email address or a temporary email address. Yeah, now it went to sharklasers.com. That's a website. And you can see the message here. Okay, that's all for today. And thanks a lot.